Namaskar and welcome to Teaching Mantra. The skill of introduction is essential in physical science, which includes both physics and chemistry, because it often deals with abstract concepts. A well-crafted introduction can help make complex things understandable. The teacher should relate the topics with daily life to make the learning meaningful. In part 1, I have explained micro lesson plan on the skill of introduction for science by questioning method, and in my previous videos I have explained the skill of introduction and its components in detail, so do watch it for more clarity on the skill of introduction. Today I will be explaining method 2, when you have to introduce your topic by demonstration method. But before starting, I want to tell that in part 1 I have explained the proforma in detail, so do watch part 1. Now the second method. Now suppose you have to make a micro lesson plan on the skill of introduction for class 8th. The subject is chemistry and your topic is saturated solution. Now here you have to keep in mind that whatever activity you will do, you have to mention here in the plan in brackets. Like in brackets you will write while showing a glass of water. Question is, what is this? The expected answer from the students would be a glass of water. Second question. In brackets you will write while mixing sugar in it. Question would be, what has happened to the sugar? The answer would be, the sugar has dissolved in the water. Third question. What type of solution is this? The expected answer would be, this is a transparent and homogeneous solution. Fourth question. In brackets you will write, while adding more and more sugar in the solution till it stops dissolving. Question would be, what can you see now? The expected answer would be, now the sugar has stopped dissolving in water and we can see the crystals of sugar. Fifth question. What is this solution called? Now this question would be problematic for the students. Now you will introduce your topic by giving the statement of aim, that is, today we shall study about saturated solution. Effective use of questions, real life examples, experiments or simple demonstrations can make even difficult science topics engaging and relatable. In chemistry, this is especially important because the subject often deals with complex and abstract ideas. Now, how will you present it in your micro teaching group, where you will be the teacher and rest of the 5 or 6 pupil teachers would be your students? Now, one thing I would like to mention is that as soon as you stand in the class to present your micro lesson plan, you should first write the main entries on the blackboard like this. You will leave the space in front of the word topic because you will write the topic after the statement of aim. That means after you have introduced your topic. If you will write your topic, then your students will already know the topic, that what the teacher is going to teach and what they are going to learn today. So as a result, there will be no use of introduction skill. So you will write it later on. Now you will ask the questions and your students will answer the questions. While showing the glass of water, what is this? Ma'am, this is a glass of water. While mixing sugar in it, what has happened to the sugar? Ma'am, the sugar has dissolved in the water. Okay, what type of solution is this? Ma'am, this is a transparent and a homogeneous solution. Okay, good. While adding more and more sugar in the solution till it stops dissolving. What can you see now? Ma'am, now we can see that sugar has stopped dissolving in water and we can see the crystals of sugar. Yes. What is this type of solution called? Now this question would be problematic for the students because they haven't studied it earlier and they would not be able to answer the question. When the students are unanswerable, you will first answer the question, that is, the state when the solution has reached a point in which no more solute can be added. Such a mixture is called a saturated solution. So today we shall study about saturated solution. Now after stating the topic, you will turn towards the blackboard and write the topic on the blackboard, that is saturated solution, and underline it. Now after you have presented your lesson, your supervisor will give you rating on the basis of each component, somewhat like this. This is an example, and also he will give the remarks. Now according to this rating or remarks, you can evaluate your teaching and replan your micro lesson plan by making improvements in it. So in this way you have to make your micro lesson plan on the scale of introduction for the subject physical science, including both physics and chemistry, by questioning method and by demonstration method. Now you can make several micro lesson plans on different topics for physics and chemistry. Practice it and you will definitely improve your skill of introducing any topic by full confidence and happiness.